Yo, what is it good, my friends? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Oh, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everybody is doing good today. Welcome back to the chat. Give me 1 second, guys. I want to make sure that this is set up all the right way. Good morning, guys. How are we feeling today? How we doing, chat? What is good, my friends? I hope everyone is doing fantastic today. Let me get my charts all set up here. Give me 1 second. Un segundo, por favor. I hope everyone is having a lovely Wednesday. Guys, I'll be honest. I lied in my bed miserably last night and could not fall asleep until 3:30 in the morning, which was just absolutely brutal, to be totally honest with you guys. So that's never fun. That's never fun. So I am fighting some tiredness today, no doubt. Give me 1 second here, my friends. I'm trying to just make sure my screen is all set up. Guys, how are you guys, man? How's everyone feeling after yesterday? I know yesterday was crazy. Like, there's really no way around what happened yesterday just being like an ultimate FOMO driving event, So, hope everybody is kind of keeping their emotions in check from yesterday. I'm curious, how's everyone feeling? Have you guys been able to kind of process the move that happened yesterday, or is it still really messing with you? Nice work, man. Nice work. even a big winner like that, you know, sometimes it can just feel like, damn, man, I still wish I would have gotten more. You know what I mean? So if you're feeling good and happy, then I'm feeling good and happy for you, brother. All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon. It was a big move yesterday. You know, it was a lot. It was a lot. That's really, quite frankly, the only way that I can say it is it was an emotional roller coaster, man. All right, my friends, give me 1 second here. I'm trying to get a new account loaded that I'm actually really excited about. All right, my friends. Well, good morning. I am excited to, some of you guys saw early. We have a new partner alert. I have a variety of updates just on our partners in general. We've kind of slimmed down the list of partners that we are working with. And so I'm excited about that. We've slimmed it down, but we've taken on a few new ones who have been really popular. A couple of students, a couple of mastermind students DM'd me. Jimmy was the main one. But he reached out and he basically said, yo, there's this firm, Funded Seat, and I think that you guys should look into working with them. And I said, okay. So I looked them up. I said, who do they work with? Let me first get a gauge. And the first person was Rips, the streamer, the trader Rips, who him and I are boys. I love that guy. So I reached out to him and I was just like, dude, what's your experience? Nowadays, for me to take on a new partner, guys, it's going to take an intense fucking screening just because I want to be safe and secure and everything. So we had a really good phone call. I was able to understand some of the risk principles that they have in place, and that was really important to me. So we did end up taking on a new partner in a kind of a test capacity. I'm very excited. We have 2 or 3 things in the works that I'm just dummy excited about, and this is one of the first things. But I'm not gonna lie, guys, we have one other thing. I kind of hinted at it and teased about it yesterday, where we're gonna be launching this competition style trading event soon, just for our community. So it's not gonna be with a prop firm. We're not gonna be connected with any firm. It's just going to be like a rake trade style community event, community competition. So I'm super excited. Stay tuned on that. We'll have more details very, very soon. The new partner alert, though, guys, is a company called Funded Seat. Again, one of my trading friends, Rips, has been working with them for a long time and really enjoys it. From our brief combos, he really, really loves working with this company. And I had a really good conversation with them. And I was able to ask, hey, guys, there's been some not so fun prop firm events that have been happening lately. What systems do you guys have in place to kind of prevent that, right? So they went through all of the various back-end systems that they have, risk protocols, availabilities to see liability. I was impressed, right? So because the chat and a couple of our students have asked us for a code here, I've gotten a code here. I'm going to be trading my first account with them today. Their Ultra account is a daily payout model. This is, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. This is the sentence that I read that I'm like, all right, I'm in. It says, only go live once you withdraw at least $100,000. Sick. And I asked them, I was like, how do you guys have risk structure in place to be able to kind of keep that up to date? And they broke it down for me. And so I'm intrigued. TradeC is their platform for right now. I am going to be taking a shot on one of those daily accounts today, doing it on TradeC. So if you're interested in checking out Funded Seat, guys, you can just click the pinned link in the YouTube chat. And I'm very excited. So with that being said, guys, let's get down to business and start going over some charts here. I'm sure for those of you that are already here and early, you'll hear me talk about this a variety of times today as people kind of pop in. But we've got a couple of charts to dive into. So I'm excited to do that. Yeah, guys, the feedback that we're seeing in the chat right now is that it is a great firm. So I'm looking forward to trying them out for myself. Someone said, are they better than Lucid? Guys, I don't know if Lucid's pretty fucking goated. You know what I mean? They're pretty fucking goated. But I'm excited to try Funded Seat. Guys, before we start diving into the charts and into our psychology morning routine, please just give me 1 second. I did not fall asleep until 3 a.m. last night. And that means I did not even bring a water bottle over here. So 1 second as I get a water. I really wish, guys, like lately I've been talking about, there's been several days where I've slept poorly. I wish that I was doing anything exciting those nights. Like, I wish that I was literally doing anything at all. I was like sitting in silence, unable to sleep. At one point I threw a little Netflix show on in the background. It didn't help. It didn't help, you know, it didn't help. So, oh man, yeah, I wish it was like, yeah, guys, sorry, I'm tired. I didn't sleep because I was out at the club all night with 100 different girls. They were all over me. I'm so sorry. That's why I'm so tired. And it's like, no, dude. I just couldn't sleep. I just couldn't sleep. Oh, good morning, chat. Guys. Oh, man, my first insight and look at the market. I got a question. How are you guys feeling, man? How are you guys feeling? You know, I'm going to go ahead and throw that in the chat here. I want to see what you guys say. An option here. Yeah, guys, do me a favor. Throw it in the... oh, I got to add the chat. Throw it in the chat, guys. I'm very curious. What do you think happens today? Are we looking at bullish? Are we looking at bearish? Or are we looking in at range, right? What are we thinking? What are we thinking for the market here? Let me What are we thinking, chat? I think that it's either the upper or the lower one. I think it's either bullish or range, personally. I'll be honest, guys. I kind of think bullish. Yeah, like if you look at the ES, whoever just made that comment, great work. Great work, great work, great work. Because the ES is already ripping. So our question again becomes, right? Our question again becomes, does the Nasdaq play catch up and ultimately rally to catch up to that ES move? Or does the ES start to pull back and catch up with the NQ, right? On first instinct, guys, I think we keep going higher today. I think we keep going higher today. This again, on first instinct, I'm not rushing into it. I would actually prefer to buy a dip, so I'd prefer we go lower first. But my first instinct is absolutely, it's hard to not be bullish, man. Alex, you said it great earlier. You said it's hard to fight those daily candles, and I just couldn't agree more, right? I saw someone also ask the question that, you know, this has to be a fake pump overall, right? Like there's no way this is real and sustainable, all that. It absolutely is, brother. This is the way the market moves, guys. We move really strongly in one direction, then we go sideways for however long, and then we continue that trend. It's a principle known as TRT, and I'm not talking about testosterone. TRT, trend, range, trend. The market is acting as a perfect example of that for us right now, right? So I think there's no reason we don't keep going higher overall. Now, do we have a consolidation day within that? Probably. I would suspect whether it's today, tomorrow, Friday, eventually we're going to consolidate. That being said, for every single one of you out there, guys, for all of you out there who are looking at this chart and you're saying, oh man, there's no way this can go higher, right? Well, I'd actually like to use some science and data and take you back to a far, far time away in a land lost and forgotten, known as literally 7 weeks ago. Not even 2 months ago. Sub 60 days ago, I guarantee you, every single day, there's a motherfucker out there. Oh, we can't go higher. 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 He can't keep getting away with this. We can't keep going higher. We can't keep going higher. And then, bro, I mean, that person got liquidated 18 times before they even were able to catch their breath, all right? So I'm not saying that the market is going to nuke to the upside. I'm not saying that, right? I don't know that that's for sure going to be the case, right? I'm just saying if the thought in your head is there's no way we can't keep going higher, mathematically speaking, you've been roasted 1,600 times in the last sub 60 days, all right? Let's cool it with the thought of we can't keep going higher. Spoiler alert, my friends. The market can go as high as it motherfucking wants, all right? If you want a real brief explanation of that, if you're somebody out there who you're like, dude, Jake, I don't understand, bro. I don't understand. The inflation is shit. These companies are having a hard time. My friend got fired, Jake. How does the company keep going up? My friend got laid off. I don't understand. If you're one of those people out there, I'd like to put a few thoughts in your head that I promise should stick and really hit with you. 1, the market doesn't give a fuck what you think. 2, your friend being laid off was probably bullish for the company. They're probably making more money now. So yeah, it's going up because that was probably a smart decision for them. And 3, and most importantly, guys, do you know what a 401k is? Do you know what like a retirement account is? This system is rigged. I hate to be the one to spoil that information for you. The system is rigged. Okay? And here's the best part. We're in on it. If you have a 401k, it's not big, the Illuminati rigging the system, guys. It's the retirement. You are literally a part of it. If you own a retirement account, you're a part of the rigging of the system. Okay? People put money in. It just goes up. When they get old, they have more money than when they started. It's a fugazi. It's a fugazi, all right? So if you think it can't go higher, spoiler alert, you're wrong. All right? I'm sorry. Jesus, I'm sorry, okay? Deep breath. All right? But if I saved even one single one of you from full porting and shorting, then I did my job. Okay? Guys, the market is supposed to go up. Imagine rooting against your 401k. That's crazy to me. Imagine rooting against your 401k. You know what I mean? I can't. I'm not in on it. I'm out. All right, my friends. Well, we have, oh man, we're late, guys. We're late. We got to get started with our morning routine here. I think today's chart is pretty simple, my friends. It's a range. We're either going to look to trade a continuation of the range or buy the lower end of the range. My dream world, come down here. Let's buy that. Let me buy down here. Let me buy at 760. That's my dream world. So, all right, my friends, good morning. For everyone that is new here, every single day, we like to listen to one song around 9:15, 9:20 a.m. to get our morning routine for greatness started. Guys, we are about 1,000 people that come together every single day with the goal of being the best version of ourselves, right? And even something as simple as listening to a song that helps get you in the right mindset for that day can be massive for your psychology. So I listen to Best Day Ever because one, I want to have the best day ever. And two, because in this music video, seeing this little kid and how happy he is reminds me to be in the right headspace to trade, right? So sit back, my friends. Let this kind of put you in the right headspace, and we're going to get ready with the rest of our morning routine. I'm really excited, chat. I got a good one today. I got a great quote of the day for you guys today. Every time I get up on the mic, I come correct, and I learned it from the best. Always dressing something fresh, looking for a little dime, big button, nice chest. Yes, they heard I used to rock guests, but now I'm rocking clothes that ain't in the stores yet. Travel back in time, I'm in a vortex, trying to make a workout, think I need more reps. Used to take a bus, now the boy board jets, cause kids got me buzzing like a fucking hornet. They say I got next, tell them that I got now. It's all Disney, boy, my family proud. Make them say L. Good morning, my friends. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Chat. You're the most important people in my life. Well, that's not true. My mom and dad are above you guys. But I love you guys. I really do. Please don't hold that against me. Does the daily ultra require a buffer? I'm assuming is what that means. Guys, this is my first time trading it. We're doing it together. So we're gonna find out. I'll look in. I read through the rules on the drawdown and daily loss limits. I didn't get to buffer yet. So stick with me. We're gonna find out together. Imagination, making musical creation, a journey that I'm facing, plus the paper that I'm chasing, got me crazy after saying with the lames. I see you hating, but there's nothing that you changing. Thumbs up, I'm maintaining, no complaining when it's raining. I'll be in another zone. Move out my mother's home to a world to call my own. I ain't gonna play around no more. Find a difference from the ground and the floor. If we gotta fight, I'll be down for the war. Thumbs up, homie, I'll be sure. No matter where life takes me, find me with a smile. Pursuit to be happy, don't be laughing like a child. I never thought life would be this sweet. It got me cheesing from cheek to cheek, hey, hey. And I ain't gonna wait for nothing, cause that just ain't my style. Life couldn't get better. This gon' be the best day ever. Oh, my friends. I love ya. I love you. 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 All right, guys. I think it's time we get into our quote of the day. Now, again, for those of you that are new here, we have a psychology morning routine that I believe is more important than any analysis we could do before the open, right? So every day we go through and we add a new quote, right? And yesterday our quote was from Maya Angelou and said, "Do the best you can until you know better. And then when you know better, do better." Now, today's quote is one of my favorite quotes of all time. All right? Today is genuinely at the bottom of my heart, one of my favorite quotes of all time. All right? And it is from someone that I would consider like a modern day Socrates, a modern day Aristotle, Plato's, somebody like that, right? The great Shane Stouffer, Mr. Togi, once said, "Why not you?" And I think that's fucking incredible. Okay, I think it's fucking incredible. Of all the people in this world, there's what, 8 billion of us? Why can't you Be the one to achieve your dreams, your goals, everything you want. It doesn't matter what you want. Whether what you want is a little house on the prairie or a hot Latino wife or, a hot torta wife. I'm not one to judge. My only question is, why not you? If you put your head down and you really work towards it and you really try and you really put 110%, why couldn't that life be yours? Why couldn't you be an astronaut? Why couldn't you marry an absolute rocket? Why couldn't you marry a torta? Whatever choice you want, why not you? So I want us to go into today's trading session and remind ourselves we're capable of literally, I'm going to use his full name, government name. Why not you, my friends? Why not you? All right. Again, essentially a modern day Socrates said that, someone equivalent to Plato and Aristotle, So at the bottom of my heart, my friends, I believe that. Why not you? And lastly, the last part of our psychology morning routine here, guys, I want you to just read these 6 sentences aloud with me. I know it sounds silly. I know it sounds like, Jake, are we really 5 years old? Yeah, dude. We're sitting here trying to press buttons on a screen to make money. We sound like 5-year-olds, right? So we got to repeat these sentences to ourselves like 5-year-olds. 1, I will not overtrade. I will not overtrade. 2, my self-worth is not determined by one day's P&L. Whatever happens today happens. It is not going to determine your literal value as a human being, all right? I will respect and value money. I will not cheat the game or myself. I will train like the champion before I become one, and one trade does not define who I am. All right, chat? All right, chat? Let's fucking crush it today, guys, all right? Let's fucking crush it today. All right, let's see what we can get. My instincts are leaning long. We've got about 3 minutes till the open here. Guys, this ES strength, I really think is our clue for the day. I would suspect that ES strength takes over the NQ. Yeah. So, all right, guys, we're going to be watching and seeing what we can get today. You kind of, here's just what I will give a fair warning, my friends. If you are hoping to catch the long, you are going to have to be willing to shoot some shots, all right? Don't go crazy on risk. Don't go full porting. Don't go FOMOing. Remember, if we're going long early in the morning today, we have accepted and signed up for the fact that we could lose, right? We could lose, all right? So hold on, my friends. I want to get logged into this new funded seat account and get this one going. All right, my friends, markets open in 26 seconds, guys. Lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. Lock in, my friends. Let's get it. I'm excited. I haven't used TradeC in a little bit. All right, markets are open. Let's see what we can get today. That's a terrible banner. I'll fix that later. Oh, good morning, everybody. ES is nuts, guys. ES is absolutely nuts. Just a ripper out of the gate here. Trying to be patient and not instantly FOMO into an NQ long. I'm not saying that that's a terrible idea. I actually think there's some real logic to it, but I am trying to stay a little bit patient, guys. I'm trying. Man, NQ is already pushing over those overnight highs. I'm trying my best to be patient. I just look, hey, guys, there's no right or wrong answer here, all right? The market could very easily keep ripping over the pre-market highs. We could start to get a little bit of a deeper pullback. I would prefer the deeper pullback. I'm not picky though. I'll do whatever the market presents to me, but man, guys, I'm not gonna lie. It's hard to see the vision on just straight. Oh my God. Okay, lock in, friends. This is moved up and is now retesting this former area. All right. Let's be patient. All right, let's see. I think I got this Trade C account set up. You gotta drag it to make my chart. Oh, baby. I haven't used Trade C in a little while. Doesn't look like it's moving right now. My data is delayed. Okay. Okay, well, I gotta sort that issue. So while I sort that, I'm going to move back to just this TPT, but let's see, my friends. Doing my best to be patient. The only thing I was thinking is that, truthfully, this was a pullback to like these previous highs. And so it holding there makes a lot of sense. Yeah, with that close, I would suspect we keep going higher, man. We'll see. Good morning, my friends. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Today is an interesting mix. We are doing our best to trade well, but at the same time, no FOMO, remain disciplined, all of the above, right? That being said, it's hard to argue that it certainly looks like the market wants to keep drifting higher. You know what I mean? So we're going to keep our head down, stay on a swivel. Oh, my God. I'm trying an ES long. I'm just trying it. It's not a big risk. Bro, you got to be willing to try something. The way the market has been moving these last few days. I'll take the 2-minute 1, 2, 3. I'm taking a trade with the full knowledge and awareness that I am buying into an aggressive move, and that a loss here would not be earth-shatteringly shocking, I guess is the... I'm prepared to lose, but I would rather try and lose than not try and win. And I'm just going to keep my stop below the low of the day so far. Coming back to the opening print. Two, 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 two. I'll probably end up eating a stop on it. Let's see, though. NQ harsh slam. Yeah, I would suspect my stop comes and gets taken here in the near future, guys. Which is unfortunate because I don't love the placement of it. I do still think that this wants to go higher overall, but I'm keeping my risk at 2,000. I gotta figure out how to get real data. I'd love if we could spike back up and hold the open, but I'm just not getting my hopes up, guys. I was excited to try this funded seat account, but the data is not... I need to get that active data, bruh. How do you guys get the data on funded seat? They say, oh, I might just have to log out and log in again. Let me try that. Wow, I just hit up support and they responded within literally a minute. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm on it, Kakoff. I'm going for that contract. I'm trying to find it. All right, guys, this ES did look like for a second. Oh, yeah, we're active. All right, we're active. I always forget how much faster the tick speed is on Trade C. Everything moves so much faster, but I like that for scalping. All right, my friends, let's see how this one shakes out. If we can hold above the opening print here and get back above that trigger, I like this potential. All right, there we go. Boom. Check it out. I'm not aiming for the moon here, guys. You know, I know it's not like me, but I honestly wouldn't even be mad at a 1R today. Let's see if this is able to hold above that previous high of day. Although, to be fair, guys, I might just hold this bitch. I might just hold her and just say, hey, I'm going to see if we're getting another trend day. I just want to see how Trade C feels. Oh, baby, I miss Trade C. I like this platform. Sometimes I'm just such an old head with Tradeovate. I do know with funded seat, guys, Tradeovate is coming. So for those of you that are Tradeovate users, it is coming. All right, I just bought the high day. This wasn't a fun decision. The drag and drop. The beloved drag and drop that you guys love so much. Man, it's been a while since I've used Trade C. It's fun. Everything moves so fast. Sorry, I gotta move my head to the other side here. Shrink myself on this one. Someone asked, what do I think about the nano contracts? I think they sound cool. Guys, do we really need contracts smaller than 1 micro? Do you guys think so? I didn't necessarily think we needed a contract smaller than 1 micro. But like I feel like 1 micro is a pretty small position size, you know what I mean? I don't know what it is about Trade C and Tradara and Top Step X. They just make me want to scalp, bro. Maybe this is why these platforms are so popular. They force you to want to scalp because it moves so fast. Got a few different trades here. Just had one on Trade C that looked. All right, guys. Working on my funded seat eval. I'm excited because this has end of day drawdown on daily payouts. Check this shit out, bros. This is all I care about. You can request 100K before being moved live. And uncapped daily payouts. I like it. End of J drawdown. I'm excited. I would love if they got Tradeovate. I know that's on the agenda for them. Very high on the agenda. And yeah, so I'm excited, guys. All right, ES, let's see if you're going to continue to hold. NQ has rallied up into these levels. ES is starting to pull back a little bit more. This just feels like a good... I'm sorry. Call me a degenerate if you want, bro. Life is a risk, and I love that bitch. But I think ES is a small pullback. Good morning to the chat. How are you guys? I gotta fix my eagle eyes. 'Cause I'm Mr. Brightside. Guys, the prop firm I was just talking about is Funded Seat. You can find the link for them in the YouTube chat right here, just pinned at the top. I'm excited by them. I'm using Trade C. I do think that they'll Tradeovate from my conversations is in the pipeline, which is important to me as a trader and as a partner. But these are the rules. You can uncapped daily payouts, end of day drawdown on a daily payout account, so there's no intraday. So it's fascinating. It is, the eval's not easy. I went with the 100K ultra account, 35% consistency, and no daily loss limit. This is what I went with. Oops, let me move that. Right here. So I'm excited. I'm checking him out. First time trying. But I've heard nothing but great things. Truly, I've heard nothing but great things. So I'm eager to see. And honestly, I think I'm going to buy the dip in there. The NQ looks like it just wants to go crazy today. I don't know whether it's going to or not, but I'm just going to scalp. When I'm on this trade C, I don't know why. Whenever I'm on trade C, yeah, dude, it feels like a 30-second chart because the data's so fast. But like, that's a good problem to have, not a bad one. All right, guys, we need to see ES get back above the opening print here ASAP. NQ wants to stonk, bro. Oh my goodness. Wait, they have scalp mode? How do you turn on scalp mode? What is that? Oh, scalp. Holy shit. Oh my God. They literally have, it's just this little thing right here. Holy crap. Oh, this is dangerous, guys. Oh, this is a little bit dangerous. You just get a little box right there. For the record, my friends, this was not me trying to do this. This was the chat telling me to turn on scalp mode. All right, yeah, chat. I'm sorry. Where's the DJ hours signs, bros? We're fucking going for it. All right. You can be like, Jake, I don't want to do DJ hours. I don't want to do DJ hours. Suck it up. I'm hot. Boom. We're up 1,400. Check it out at the top left. 1,400. All right. So I have 35% consistency on this. Let's go ahead and get ourselves a perfect day. So we have 9,000 divided by 3.5. All right. I need to make 2,500 a day. I need to make 2,500 a day. Scout mode is on this Trade C platform, and it lets you it lets you literally just, I mean, this is crazy, guys. Look at this. At this point, we got to go to the 30-second chart. This is crazy, guys. This is a 30-second chart. I love this life. How do you trade C? Trade C, solid platform. How do you guys not nuke your accounts every 10 seconds? Oh, what the hell is that? Don't doubt it. Don't doubt it. Okay, I should have doubted it. All right, I got to get off Trade C. I gotta get off trade C. I think I did get a stop on this one, yeah. So I'm out of the ES. What news did we have, guys? What was the news? I didn't see that we had any news. The PMI news leaked. Oh, you're right, Kakarov. This is 100K. You guys are right. You guys are right. You guys are right. You guys are right. So, all right, what's the profit target? 6,000. Okay. Oh, easy. So all I need is 15. All right. So I probably could have been done. All right. All right. All right. All right. I was gonna say, guys, I didn't think we had any news. I didn't think we had any news. There are people that really do this. The 30-second. Yeah, bros, we're chasing longs on an eval on degen hours because I can't. I don't think I want to risk real monies on this. I just have still too much FOMO from the other day, quite frankly. Oh, wait, if this is a 100K account too, then I don't have the drawdown I thought. I thought I had $4,500 of drawdown. I think I have, all right, 3,000. So this is going to get nuked in just half a second here. There's the nukening. How am I not getting nuked yet? Okay, there we go. I was like, that is that, okay. Wow, okay. Trade C. This is fun. This is fun. This is fun. This is fun. Oh man, I'm excited, guys. Okay, hold on. I'm giving this one more shot on the day. It's not cheap, so I'm not gunslinging a million of them, but that was a fun trial and error. I'm going to get off the 30-second chart because as fun as that is, it's not what we're supposed to be doing. I'm getting off the 80 synthwave too. Getting onto the purple rain. Okay. Let's rock, ladies and gentlemen. I'm scalping. My degen hours sign is on. Stay off my back. I have a lot of FOMO from yesterday. I'm sorry. I have FOMO from yesterday, and I want to just have fun today and not really stress, okay? And if you hate me for that, you're allowed to hate me for that. Damn, no more purple rain? All right, for you, I'll switch to Creed. Come back sooner rather than later. But I am off the 30-second chart. There's just no business there. There's degen hours, guys, and then there's idiot hours. When I go onto the 30-second charts, that's just silly, you know? Oh, to prevent myself from yeeting options, I'm watching Jake yeet while I just chart. I like that, guys. I agree. Degen hours, first 30 minutes of the day, guys. Come on now. This is a treat. This is a treat. Or it's miserable, and I don't blame you for. I just don't want to FOMO, guys. I'm sorry, but like, you can be mad at me all you want. I don't want to risk 5,000 USD of my own money or of a live account money because, like, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. We're 16 million points up from the last 2 days. I don't want to risk all my. I don't want to take big risks today. I'm sorry about that. Don't yell at me. Instead, I'd prefer to have some fun, trade some evals. Get off my back. I will say the drag and drop is nice to be able to see. I just have it. There's another platform, guys, that's going to be out in the near future that I think is even better than TradeC, man. We got something coming. Just stay fucking tuned, guys. Stay tuned. It's going to be tournament season soon. I want you guys to go compete against my fellow co-hosts and whoever has the best P&L. We're trying to figure out the style. Is it going to be one-on-ones? Is it going to be just best P&L over 3 days? One contract, two, whatever. We're figuring it out. But stay tuned. The RAKETRADES Battle Royale is coming very, very soon. And you guys will be able to trade against each other, against our co-hosts. And the winner is going to be walking away with like at least a couple $1,000 cash in their pocket. For free. Completely for free. Two-minute buy there. I could have just waited for that. Guys, we need to mix up the music as a whole. We need a new playlist. All right, guys, the goal for me here is $1,500. Because of the TradeC account I selected, I did this one with 25% consistency, so it was actually a little bit cheaper. And all I need to do is make $1,500 over 4 days. I know that sounds like it's like a lot of work for an eval, but if at the end of that I get daily end-of-day drawdown payouts, I'm a pretty fucking happy camper. With a sense of poison. Come on, come take me out. Come take me out. Oh my goodness. How did I not get taken out? My target got hit. What happened? Why did I not get the fill? What the fuck? This is still gonna work, so we're fine. But like, that was annoying. We'll be all right though. Why haven't you people ever heard of? Come on, NQ. Do you guys prefer light mode? Ah, fuck you, Trade C. Fuck you, Trade C. That was some bullshit, dog. Nah. I'm pretty pissed about that one. So I haven't used Trade C in about 4 months. To my frequent users of it, is that common? I haven't used it in a while. Well, that wasn't the reason I hadn't used it in a while. No. I've never had this experience, good, bad, or indifferent. Yeah, that wasn't the reason. So you factor it in, Ron. You factor it in just as part of the, not like... Never had that issue with Trade C. Well, guys, this is why the world's going to be a whole lot better when something named Tradara comes out. The world's just going to be infinitely better. That was a bit of a bummer. I'm not going to lie. And I promise you, I'm not on tilt. I assure you, at the bottom of my heart, I'm not on tilt. But I am going to try one more time. You can't go down like that. You know what I mean? You can't go down like that. Come on now. That's fucking crazy. They're going to reach out to me and be like, dude, Jake, welcome to your first day as a partner. We've noticed you've lost 3 evals. We just want to check in. Are you okay? And I'm just going to respond and be like, what? Sorry, I won't do that. All right. All right. I mean, Johnny, Joe Pro NYC, I don't really know what to tell you, dog. We never got down here. I can have my ideal day all I want and say, hey, I'd love to get to the bottom end of the range. But if that's not what's happening, then I can't just sit there and be like, well, in an ideal world, it's get to the bottom end of the range. I'll just sit here with my dick in my hand. You know what I mean? Like, you have to adapt based on what you see. GC with a nice move. GC, woo, with the breakout out of that range. All right. This really is my last trade C try of the day. The last one might have been a user operator error more than a platform error. So I'm taking an entry close to the 2-minute trigger right there. What I am really excited for, guys, I'm genuinely at the bottom of my heart. I get like, I'm a little excited. Oh my God, why can I not just look at my reels? I'm excited because if we have a choppy day, I will say, I'm just going to make another video like this. Fuck myself, Mr. Market. Thanks so much. Not a and I'm already thinking of the script. Pullback. What am I supposed to do? Buy the dip on that little ass candle? How do you... And I'm just going to look at the NQ and be like, oh, I'll just go fuck myself, NQ. Thanks. Oh, people say gold is going nuts. All right, guys, we might have to rotate over into some gold here. Oh, god damn. All right, guys. We are going to keep an eye on gold. We got gold on the right here. We're going to throw ES on the left, or NQ, excuse me. This NQ is, excuse me, this GC is very strong. Shouts out to anyone in the GC, man. Nice work, guys. Nice trading. We just need like a new music playlist. I don't know, man. GLD GC can just keep going. It's got a potential trend day, so I would try and hold it as long as you possibly can. Would be my type of move on it, but that's me. You know, I know I'm more aggressive than most. I'd love a little pullback on GC. Give me just... Go, motherfucker, go. Oh my NQ. Come on now, dog. Somebody asked if I have a code with my funded futures anymore. No, I do not, guys. My funded futures, I'm going to make a formal announcement about it. There's no bad blood, but they decided to go a different way partnership-wise just because of our back-end analytics. So it just actually had to do with some back-end ad. It was, you know, based on data and numbers. So I have nothing against my funded futures. Obviously, I'm not going to trade them anymore personally. I think your guys' money is absolutely safe in there. You have no, I wouldn't worry about payouts or anything like that just because they, but no, we do not work with them anymore. We do not have a code with them. Again, obviously, I'm not going to trade with them or promote them or give them any, you know, time of day. But just because we're not working with them is not a reflection of like their health as a firm and all that. I believe that they're in just fine shape. But no, yeah, all love. It's all love. But we do not work with them anymore. No. We work with Apex. Code Rake will work there. Yeah, out of respect for them, I don't want to go into the details of why they made the decision. I'll just tell you guys, it was an analytics-based decision from their... Yeah, it was an analytics-based decision off of the data of the people using our code. That's it. That's what I was told. It's all love. Like I said, the biggest thing I want to make sure is I don't want... I've been promoting my funded futures for like 3-4 years. They're the first firm I ever worked with. So I don't want people to think that this means like, oh my God, am I not going to get my, especially in the current landscape of prop firm stuff, people are gonna be, I'm not going to get my payout. I'm not going to, that's not the case. You're going to be just fine. They got cash. They just decided to go a different way with the numbers and customers and all that we were bringing them. Their decision, not mine. And I wish them nothing but the best and all love. I really don't. That's all it is. Y'all can say just back end analytical based decision. The reason I'm saying that is I don't want you guys to think it's like, oh my God, was it because Jake smoked pot or anything like that? There has been firms before that have told me to like stop smoking pot and all that on screen. Those people I left. That was not the case. It was just their decision. Nothing that we were doing wrong. It was again, the only reason I feel the need to even give you guys this explanation is because I've been promoting them for 3 years. I don't want my people to think that I like just left them out in the dust. But yeah, it's just analytics, numbers on the back end. That is it, my friends. Analytics and numbers on the back end. I agree. NQ needs to hit the PT. There we go. Come on now. All right, guys. One of these done. Only a quarter of the way done, but nice work. All right, now on to... Now I'm going to keep trying. I would like to get max allocated. I did... Guys, it's so funny. I had a conversation the other day. Yesterday. I don't know why I said the other day. Maybe because I'm running off of 2 hours of sleep. But I had a conversation yesterday. And I had never really considered, like, I don't know. I'm a prop firm trader, but I'm also a personal account trader that, like, I love the leverage prop firms offer me. I don't necessarily, I hadn't really been thinking about it as, like, once in a lifetime type opportunity. That wasn't necessarily I just looked at it as leverage, quite frankly. I had some conversations over the last few days of essentially people leading me to be like, dude, this isn't something you should try to like casually rinse them for. Like, if you're here, go the fuck. Like, so I don't know. It was just a fascinating idea because you guys know I'm really trying to buy a house or an apartment. I'm really trying to buy like my place in cash, outright, all that. Like I've talked about before, there's no fucking handbook on how to do that, guys, right? Like there's no, hey, this is exactly how it happens. This is how you get it done. This is how you handle the emotions that, you know, come along with it, right? So I'm trying to figure out, like, all right, what is the best way for me to still have big months, especially guys, when like October comes around, I want to make $50,000 or $100,000. Like that's what I'm used to doing in October, right? So I am going through this, and I'm like, I want to have these big months, but I also don't want. I'll be straight up. I don't want to lose. I don't want to leave a trading session, guys, and this is not always the case. Earlier in the year, I would have felt fine losing 20K in a trading session. That's fine. I have money allocated to trading. That's not the end of the world, right? Nowadays, if I like, because I have this purchase in my head that I want, this goal, this target in mind, I would feel like shit losing 20 racks in a day. Like I would just feel like shit. And I worry that that would put me on a bigger tilt. So long-winded way of saying that after some conversation with some friends yesterday, I was basically, I think I'm going to try and leverage the motherfuck out of these firms for now, because not saying it's the best decision for everyone, but for me, the thought process that I'm having is, well, I still want to try and make significant income towards my goal of a house, right? But I don't want to lose $10,000, $20,000 in an individual given day, because the potential for me to go on a mega tilt after that is just real high. And what that leads me to is trying to trade across prop firms, trying to slow down a little bit of what I've been doing. I've been trading the firms very aggressively, full sizing. I don't know if I need to do that. I think I could cut my pace in half and still net like. So anyways, guys, I'm just yapping at this point. Yeah, I'm just yapping. I do want to try along again. I just think we're going to that high a day, but we'll see. This is on a new one, guys. Remember, the goal for me is to make 1,500. If I can do that, life feels good. Why did I try this on the NQ? Why didn't I just slam into GC, guys? That would have been way easier. Who let me do it on the NQ?
Well, I've worked on it, but the drums still aren't right. The feeling is right. The pocket isn't.
Yes, these are definitely evals. Sorry, that's just kind of the rant that I went on. I thought that was going to be a implied portion of it. Yeah, these are just evals. I'm scalping today. I'm just trying to get a few evals set up. The cooking, though. Not a good start on this one. Give me the high or low. Dreaming. I mean, I saw somebody ask, would you say bears are in full control because of the structure? No, I wouldn't say that personally. This is not bearish structure. This is just a range. Can we, in the short term, sling lower and break down under here? Yeah, but It's going to be basically impossible for me to look at this chart and say that bears are in control. No, bears are not in control of this chart. No, not at all. At least in my opinion. We're all allowed to have different opinions, but yeah, man, the silliness was not just going into gold right there on that same 2-minute. Is there a reason you don't do straight to funded? Yeah, guys, I just don't like the price of straight to funded or the rules. The straight to funded pricing is made so that if you lose a couple of them, it's basically really hard to come back from mathematically. I have nothing against it, and if there's those of you out there who it works with, then rock the fuck on is what I have to say, and use them. And I know that for some people, their best payouts have always come from. I'm trying to look at the eagle eyes here, guys. Yeah, this the pullback cometh. It looks like. Let's see. What was I just saying? Straight to funded. Yeah, I just don't like the 20% consistency, guys, and they're really expensive. If you lose one or two, if you lose one or two, the math is really hard for you to get that payout afterwards. / more importantly, then the 20% consistency screws you up. All right, I think I got stopped there. Yeah. All right, the range bound got me a little bit. I spent about $1,200 on some evals, but I feel pretty good because I'm not losing real money on this. Oh, I'm not losing real money on this. I'm actually pretty happy, guys. I know that sounds like a counterintuitive statement, but for the willingness to try in case we got a follow-up day, I lost some evals, and I'm good with that, baby. Come to the gold side, they say. Man, you guys are right. Where is she at? I really didn't want to try one more on the day, but you guys pushed me into it, man. NQ for sure is just going to sweep that low day and cook. I was dreaming that I'm floating. This one's good. Okay. NQ, you cuckening. We are going lower, he says. We might, bro. We might. I have a feeling I just timed my long a little wrong there. The comeback of the century with gold. This account has $400 of drawdown. Can we bring it back from the dead by full porting gold? I honestly think so. We didn't full port that enough, though. This isn't a new one, guys. This is the one we just traded that only had $500 of drawdown left. $200 now. This bar goes red. We're fucked. Stay green. Stay green. Ah, you asshole. All right. All right, guys. This was fun. I got one making good progress on. I lost like 3, so I'm gonna be willing to try. Oh, fuck you, gold. I can't wait to make a super aggressive meme about today. The same video I made yesterday, guys, that was like, what the fuck is this? I'm gonna do that same thing again today. The DGen hours sign is on, guys. This is I don't feel the need to explain myself when the DGen hours sign is on. I still think gold pops. I'm still long gold for one last one. We need some new music. Oh yeah, I don't think these are Come on now. Come on now. All right, cool. All right, well, now that we've done that, we're just going to keep rocking. These songs have been in rotation for too long, guys. That's part of the reason we need new songs. All right, guys, for the record, this is what I'm doing. I'm doing the 100K accounts. I'm choosing the 26% consistency because I'll just do it over 4 days. Who cares? I forgot to use the discount code on the last one. And that's it, guys. Those are the ones that I'm using. So far, we've had 5 tries, 2 progress, 2 not so progress. Sorry, Carlos. I'm just seeing your message right now. How is this fun? I'm sorry. All right, NQ breaking down a little bit. Hopefully it makes a move and actually goes somewhere. Do, 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 do. All right, I'm gonna try a song suggested. Big X the plug. Just for you, dog.
This shit off the muscle, that struggle was stuffed in the bitch like a knuckle. Got to that bag, needed chips like a ruffle, double.
Oh yeah.
Take care of my mother. Just got me a house, watch the price of
Oh yeah, I recognize this. I'm trying to buy the gold dip once my.
Just checking up on you. I see you out there shining. I'm so proud of you and all that you've accomplished. I just want you to be safe, stay strong.
I'm buying the gold dip, guys.
I love you.
Hey, state to state trying to get to this paper. East City, I find a new hater. Just walked out the troop, that shit brought out the.
Okay, I have way too many contracts on, but this will be nice when it works. Another one about to be done, hopefully. But I switched it up when shit started getting shot. Out the niggas was solid, turned out they was faking and hating and really just wanted my place. I really came up from the bottom of the basement. Went from taking to giving, that's crazy. Turned up for my son, now I got a new baby. Whoa, this is the Stay Fly background beat. I recognize that.
My people knew that when they made me. A 600 step gonna step if they make me. They pussy and I already know they won't make it. Hey, all this shit off the muscle, that struggle was tough in the.
Damn, need some Fred and Frank Ocean now. All right, after this one, guys, after this one. I do enjoy that. I actually think this is sick. That was very good.
But you gotta understand, when it get better, it get worse. You're looking at all the things that come with this whole lifestyle, but you ain't looking.
All right, gold looks like it's fading. I thought we had a little free money longs on gold for a bit. We do not. I got new money and it's all cash. I got this one's for you guys. I want to find it right here. Long. I'm trying to long gold again. See both sides like Chanel. They can't hold myself on to get my Visa. Amex and MasterCards. I got new money and it's all cash. Bags and they all collapse. NQ at this point, guys, I think goes to that overnight low. Myself on they call me Visa, the Amex and MasterCards. I got new money And it's all cash. I got new bags and all collapse. Oh man, guys, it really is a great song. I'll post the link in the YouTube chat. I'm bummed. I wanted to get long on gold right there. Waiting for this to load. Oh, good morning, my friends. I hope everybody is doing fantastic, man. Been a bit of a tricky trading day. But honestly, I'm fucking stoked, guys, because my biggest thing today was don't get caught risking $20,000 trying to FOMO long this after yesterday. So I feel good on that. Sometimes I wanna feel the pain. You say you're done, but you're over here naked in the middle of the day. Sometimes I wanna feel the pain. You say you're done. Carlos, my brother, take a step back, bro. Take a step back just from, I don't mean this in any negative way towards you. I just have been where you are a million times. You're not going to do anything productive today. Today is just going to end up, you're just going to keep going on tilt. It's not going to work the way you want. I would encourage you to just leave the screens and come back. Again, I'm so sorry if that comes off as like a shot at you. It's really not meant to be. I have been there. I have literally been in the spot you're at right now. Nothing is going to feel like it can go right. Nothing is going to feel like it can go right. All right, screw you, GC. I wanted to get filled down here, but I have no choice but to take it late. You better fucking nuke to the upside. A max payout on a funded seat 50K is $1,500 per payout. $1,500 per payout. The last trade was such a cuck. I hope this one doesn't do the same thing. Come on, GC. Don't you dare stop. Nah. Nah. All right, boom. Another one. All right, guys, we've got 3 of 6 right now. Oh, no, sorry, 3 of 7. It's not great odds, but it's not bad odds. Mine's the casino mentality. I disagree. Can you get a 3K payout from the 50K on Tradeify Select? That's good payout. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not using the flex accounts on Funded Seat. I'm just looking at the daily payout ones. Oh, you gold. Bro, we all have been there, bro. Take a step back, dog. Take a step back. I can't emphasize that enough. Oh, I'm salty that I lost one of my earlier. This was the GC one I lost. I oversized. That should have been an easy win. I did want gold to nuke to the upside so far. We're looking all right. I'm just going to try to get one eval halfway done, or a third of the way done. So this is my last try, my friends. And I'm pretty happy. We've got 1, 2, 3 of these that are on their way. And 4 of them that I failed. So right now, just a little under 50%. If I can get one more winner, we'll be 4 for 8, 50%, and I'll be happy with that. I do think the NQ is showing signs it wants to trail lower, but I'll just say this: the path of least resistance feels like just long in gold, right? Yeah, I don't think that's a problem personally. When you have end of day drawdown as a result of that consistency, I don't see that to be a problem. Personally. All right, then Mason, I love you. Just don't trade daily accounts then. I'm sitting here telling you that I trade the daily accounts on this firm because I like them. And you're telling me that I'm not allowed to like them because then just don't do it, bro. You can't tell me that I'm not allowed, just don't trade them then. I don't know what else to say. Well, you don't have to sit here and try and tell me they're bad when I like them. I like daily payout accounts. You don't have to though. Come on, GC. It's not a huge bit of consolidation, but it's enough consolidation that it's a flag that I would love to just pop a little bit higher. Come on. And then I'll end the day 50%. That's not bad, guys. I'll take 50%. Guys, yeah, spoiler alert. Just use whatever prop firm and rules you enjoy. The funded seat daily account rules are great for someone who likes daily funded accounts. If you don't like daily funded accounts, then just don't trade them. Boom. No love, no hate, no harm, no foul. Having a consistent Mason, I love you, bro. I'm not trying to argue with you. Now it seems like you're like literally sitting here being like, "Hey, Jake, there's a button. You have a button right here. I'm trying to push Jake's buttons for no reason." Like, I love you, bro. Like, you're just picking a fight to pick a fight now, stupidly. All right, that time I should have gotten filled. That time I should have gotten filled. I did get filled on half, it looks like. I had 6. I think I got filled on... Or maybe I only had the TP put for 3 of them. All right, there we go. Boom. Check it out. All right, nice work, guys. Gold does feel free right now, so I guess I might as well try to end on a positive note. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be aggressive. I just like there's you know, I answered a question 5 times and then it's like little button here. Let me put like, bro, yes, I think you should hold your winners. No, I don't think that you should avoid any accounts that ever have consistency rules. You can trade accounts that have consistency rules still. That doesn't mean you can't hold winners. Like we don't need to go back and forth on it is all my point. That's all. I know, yeah. I love you. But we just don't need to. Oh, I mean, this just looks like a free dip buy here. Guys, whatever plans rock with you though, man. If you're somebody that does real well with, you know, the flex models of the TPT, the Tradeify selects, bro, just keep rocking those. Like, there ain't no reason. There ain't no reason you got to stop. All right, this is my last try. And to be fair, usually when I say this is my last try, it comes across like I've been getting smacked. I have lost some trades today. I have won some trades today. I just wanted the retest of these previous highs on gold. $1,500 is all I need. I know we've heard this song a lot lately, but I need it. There's buzzing all over me like she fell in love. All right, there's 1-to-1. In theory, I should close it out if I don't want to risk this full thing in the trade. No, I'm going to leave it be. All right, I'm done. I end the day 5 for 8 as soon as assuming this gets liquidated, I end the day 5 for 8. Or excuse me, 4 for 8. 4 for 8. So negative, which is a negative ratio. All right. No. 4 for 9. There it is. It was 50-50. Then I went and lost one. Oh, I hate you, GC. I hate you. It's going right back. It's going right back. And I hate you for that, JC. I hate you, GC. I hate you, GC. Five for 10 just has such a nice ring on for it. I fucking agree, guys. I hate you guys, but I agree. Nah, I'm Swayze. My position sizing is the problem, guys, because I'm giga full porting, basically. Holy shit, guys, look at, do you know what this says? Does that say the 1 second chart? What the fuck is happening, bro? Okay, I'm not saying that I'm the GOAT. Okay? I'm not saying that I'm the GOAT, but we did just nail that 1 second chart trade. What the was that? Damn, I'm maxed out. I now have 5. All right, I'm 5 for 10, guys. I'm 5 for 10, but I'm not going to lie to you. This is bullshit. We can't stop here. We just discovered the fucking 1 second chart. I am going to light up, but I'm giving myself what? More to try and end 6 for 11. I want to try to end positive, guys. So we got to move back to the fucking lucid curse.
Go ahead and stand up straight, straight against the wall. Why did I go before you, pick you up when you fall? Was I too drunk to say what I said to you? Was I too blind to go and see straight through you? Ghost, you're a ghost. You're a ghost. You're a ghost.
All right, guys, hold up, chat.
You're a ghost. You flew out on a plane, then crashed into the ocean, and then you haunted me. Don't have a clue what's emotion. So every now and then it feels so soothing when you float on a bit and move right through me. Ghost, you're a ghost.
Hold on, chat.
You're a
I really want to end 5 for 11. 1 sec.
You're a ghost. You're a ghost. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get up, save face, find your way back to the grave. On there, go find your way back home. Get up, save face, find your way back to the grave. You'll never find your way back home. You're a ghost.
All right, we're back.
Find your way back.
We're back.
On there, go find your way back home.
We're here to ready to crush the lucid curse. We got to get off the 5 second chart, though. That's crazy. I do think gold is about to go, though, so we kind of have to. You guys know the deal. We're on Lucid right now. So if you've ever wanted to take the opposite trade of what I've taken, this is actually, historically speaking, the most reliable time to do that. Statistically speaking, you have decent odds of just doing exactly the opposite of what I do. I'm not going to lie. Even though Trade C, guys, someone made a comment earlier that I think was pretty accurate. The fills issue earlier on Trade C was actually a user operator error of me dragging the, yeah. I'm enjoying the platform a lot right now. Come on. Come on. Boom. Check it out. Halfway done. On to the next. Run it back, turbo. Dude, we can't stop now. We're hot. 5 for 11. Guys, this is guy math, guys. Okay, this is degen math, all right? We wanted to be 50%, right? We wanted to be 5 for 10. Now I'm 6 for 11, which means the next one is basically free, right? You know what I mean? Like the next one is free because you guys get what I'm saying. Because I wanted to be 5 for 10. Now I'm 6 for 11. So that means the next one's free. Because if I lose it, it's like, oh, it's chill, bro. Then you're 6 for 12. You're back at 50%. That's just science, guys. It's really science, honestly. Also, if gold wants to just keep stonking to the upside, then I will trade it. We really need a new playlist, guys. Right now, my friends, I am using the Lucid daily plans. The daily plans, man. That's what I have pretty much shifted all of my energy into the daily plans. I'm not going to lie. I like these. So on Lucid right now, I'm doing some daily plans. On Funded Seat earlier, I was doing some daily plans. Dude, do we just buy the gold breakout again? I would feel silly buying it at these highs. Oh my God. Okay, I deserve to eat shit on this one. I deserve my shit. Easy, guys. Just switch to the 5-second chart if you want to see consolidation. Oh my God, this was on the same account. Fuck! I did not mean to do that. God damn it. Come back and take me out at break even, please. All right, well that's just user operator error. All right, the last one is back to safe. We got exited. Holy shit. The last one is back to good. The last one is back to okay, guys. We survived. Holy shit, that was a lucky experience. The curse is evolving, guys. Let me go 2 for 2. Let me go 2 for fucking 2. No, fuck you, GC. Other way. Other way. No, we're about to break the Lucid curse, guys. All right, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. All right, that one was free. We ended 6 for 12. All right, I'm done. I'm actually done. I'm actually done. Oh, fuck you, GC. Okay, guys, I'm not done. That's still going higher. I just need to not 10 contract the bitch. Pretty simple solution, guys. Pretty simple solution is just don't use 10 contracts, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and listen to myself. Oh my God. If GC, I reset the account. I was trying to catch this move, GC. Why are you doing this without me? Why are you doing this without me? And Lucid, why is it taking so long for my account to reset? It's actually not. It's been a total of like 4 minutes. That's a lie. It's been a total of like 45 seconds. Dude, I feel like I just need some song right now that's just going to hit like really differently. Aye. Boom.
This guy right here, he's the genius behind everything, and we're just making trouble.
Right now, I'm 6 out of 12. Oh, this is... All right. Oh, my God. I wanted to be long. Jake said no more full porting. And what's the first thing I do? Hang on. All right, this is the strat, guys. I'm going to go take a pee and come back to TP hit. right, chat. Sorry, guys. I had to poop. And I'm already seeing that TP hit. Let's go. All right, time for me to... I mean, come on now, guys. Do you think we're going to stop while we're fucking hot? Come on now, bro. Stopping while we're hot sounds crazy. I think I got to grab another one. Hold on. First, where's my music? Where's my music? Where's the chat? Whoa! What the fuck is happening in the chat? Whoa! What the fuck? When did we run a giveaway? That's a fucking sneaky giveaway. Now that's a sneaky giveaway. What the fuck?
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch.
I go to poop and anarchy resides.
Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, you bitch. Dreams that live in
Yo, that's an expensive poop, dog.
back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool.
Damn, bro.
Tell my bros.
All right, well, I'm not gonna lie. That was a pretty fucking genius idea.
I start solid, not tie rhyming, you bitch. Pop the card and we start rhyming, you bitch. The only thing we
Could have been anybody.
free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs.
Could have been anybody.
Like an easy come up, you bitch.
Oh my God. Ranj.
And that's a lifestyle that we never knew.
Ranj, you're not in trouble. That was the best idea ever. Great work.
Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how
1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Enter up. 1 minute.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch, that's just how I feel. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you game with, that's just how I feel.
You guys are madness, man.
$8 might just make that lane switch,
Look at that, though. Look at that gorgeous trade. Oh, perfect exit. I think we should run it back, do the exact same trade. Because I'm 7 for 13 right now, guys. And again, we have a free one. We have a freebie.
at the school. You know big ballin' with my homies. Bro Stevens had us thinking rational. Back to reality, we pour ya bitch. Another casualty at war, ya bitch. 2 bullets in my Uncle Tony head. He said one day I'll be on tour, ya bitch. That Louisburgers never be the same. A Louis Belder never ease that pain. But I'ma purchase when that day is jerking. Pull off at churches with Pirelli skirting. Gang signs out the window, yeah bitch. Hoping all of them offend you, yeah bitch.
This is free money. Guys, I'm about to go. We are 7 for 13.
And we go crash it.
We're about to go 8 for 14. We're about to be well over 50%, bros. Well over 50%. All right, guys, we have a winner, too. Zero Profits 101. Well, goddamn. Does that not sound like a good person to win an account? Zero Profits 101. Are you here? Yo, yo. Dog, time to change the name, bro. All right, guys, by the way, we're about to hit TP once again. I'm fucking hot. I'm hot. I'm hot. Ron, I'm very hot, and since you ran this sneaky giveaway, I'm gonna ask if you can fulfill the winner for Zero Profits real quick, who we are gonna need you to change that name, brother. But I'm just too hot. I gotta load up another one. I gotta go. Ah, congrats, man. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Look at this, guys. Just super loyal, attending a lot, man. Thank you so much for being here. Seriously. Thank you. We appreciate you so much. I'm super glad that you won. To get your win, you're just going to shoot Ron a DM. All right? And he's going to get you sorted. Because I'm guys, I'm trying to I was trying to get back in gold before this happened. But we'll see. I'm not saying the lucid curse is done. I'm just saying I'm doing well on lucid today. And I want to giga full port this for the pop.
I just want to get out the house, man. This man is on one. He feeling good. And a motherfucker. Shit, I'm trying to get my thing going too. I'm going to Merlin house. Just bring my car back. Shit, he made it. He feeling good. Look, listen to him. Got a big old fat ass, girl. Girl, I want your body. I want your body. Cause of that.
I'm sorry, but I think it's just going to break straight up. And if I eat my last loss of the day here on that, I will, but I feel like it's going to break straight up. That's ideal, is if we just get a breakup. Stop would technically be right there too. I actually feel pretty good about this, guys. And I'm not going to lie. If we hit this one, I'll have traded 5 lucid evals and got halfway done on 4 of them. Double-faced entendre, life goes on and on and on and on and on. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I looked away for a message. Oh, that's a cuckening, bro. Oh, man. 8 ticks away. Oh, man. I actually will be sad. Oh, my God. Hey, my TP got ticked too. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I had two accounts on that. You guys might have seen me do it. I went and switched accounts and added another one. All right, one of them hit, so that makes me 9 for 15. That's fucking crazy that I've taken 15 trades today. This is 150K eval. Yes, sir. Bros, I honestly think we can still get back. This 5 minutes not great, but just a bit of a stronger close here, and we can fight our way back. All right, that's where we call it, guys. That's where we call it. That's where we call it for the day. Don't you fucking do what you're about to do, GC. Don't you do it. All right, good. Go, go, go. That's where we call it. I'm pretty happy. Most importantly, that was a lot of fun. And really, guys, above all else, on the biggest and most important factor of the day, is I look at this NQ chart. Hand to God, guys, if I traded a real money live account with this today, I have zero doubt in my eyes I would have lost $10,000 trying to catch along, which would have been justified on the stab in the sense that, if we ran, it would have worked out. But I would have 10,000% lost $10,000 to $15,000 trading my live accounts today. So I'm really happy that I didn't. These are the types of days that sometimes I have FOMO You know, missing the last two moves up, etc., so forth. So, all right, guys, I love you very much. I'm gonna wrap up for now. I'm gonna go to sleep, quite frankly. I had a ton of fun, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I love you guys. We ran a giveaway earlier. Ron ran the sneaky one. So I love you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow, all right? Love you, chat. Seriously, thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. And I'll see you tomorrow, all right? Adios.